juicy fart for you. Ooh, hello. I never get tired of these old Otises. Oh, this is always such a nice thing to find. I wish they didn't cover up the windows so badly. Ugh. I don't like when they do that. When like an elevator originally like has like a door with a big window, and then they cover it up and just make it that little tiny window. Like it's like, ew. Like I think I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but I think they just look so much prettier with like the big windows on the door. Interesting. There's your retiring cam. I'll watch that. Go to L. Oh, this is actually 6 floors. Fucking fly in this thing. Get away. Be gone, thought. Oh, it's a basement. Oh, never mind. No, it's not the basement. JK. I thought I saw the tiled floor up there, and I thought that was the first floor we had passed. That will be lower. See, look, it used to have like a big window, all of that, and then they just made it into that tiny window. Like, come on. All right, that's it.